Purim Story Part 3. Take one banquet, hosted by Queen Esther. Drop in the king and Haman, who have a lovely time. Despite asking Esther what she wants, she simply invites them to another banquet. Pour in feelings of pure elation from Haman, who feels utterly self-important. After all, 2 banquets with the queen? Add in a pinch of saltiness from Haman when Mordecai still refuses to bow down to him. Pour in the opinions of Haman's wife and his advisors, who tell him to build gallows for Mordecai and to hang him the next day. Add in one sleepless night for the king, who requests that the Book of Chronicles be brought to him. Ahasuerus shakes things up by asking if Mordecai has been rewarded for saving his life. Pouring out his thoughts to Haman, the king asks, what should be done to someone the king wants to bestow the highest honor upon? Add further delusions of grandeur. After all, thinks Haman, it must mean him. Haman suggests decorating the man to be honored with his finest robes and topping him with a crown, proclaiming, this is what happens to a man the king wants to honor. Let it be so, proclaimed the king. Take Mordecai and do exactly as you say. And Haman had to suffer the indignity of doing just that. After this event, even with gallows built in his garden, Haman's wife proclaimed that Mordecai would be his downfall. And that is the Purim Story Part 3.